Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been checking your bank account every day, hoping that fourth stimulus check finally lands, you're definitely not alone. I've been flooded with comments and messages from people asking the same thing. When is it coming? Is it even real? Did they forget about us? So today, I'm breaking down everything we know right now about the timing of these payments. And I'll be totally honest with you. Some of this news is frustrating, some of it's encouraging, and all of it is important information you need to know right now. I've spent hours digging through the actual legislative documents, IRS statements, and official state announcements, so you don't have to. That's what we do here. We cut through the noise and confusion and give you the real facts about what's happening and how it affects your life. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about what's really going on with these stimulus payments. The truth about the fourth stimulus check. Let's start with something important. When we talk about a fourth stimulus check, we're not talking about one single nationwide federal payment like we saw during the pandemic. I know that's disappointing. Trust me, I get it. But what we're seeing instead is a mix of smaller relief programs coming from different places. Some federal, some state, and some targeted specifically for groups like veterans, seniors, and low-income families. And the timing? It's all over the place, varying depending on where you live, your income level, and what programs you qualify for. So, let's break it down. Who's actually getting payments right now, and when you can expect to see money hit your account? Who's receiving payments? Right now, 1. Parents and families. If you have kids, several states are expanding their child tax credit programs, and these are functioning like mini stimulus payments. California, Colorado, and New Mexico, for example, have all announced state-level credits worth $500 to $2,200 per child, depending on your income and location. 2. Veterans. There's targeted financial relief for veterans, especially those filing PACT Act-related claims tied to toxic exposure. If you've submitted one of those claims, you could receive retroactive payments that act very much like a stimulus check. Some veterans have reported lump sums ranging from $5,000 to $20,000. 3. Social Security recipients. For seniors and retirees, there's already been the annual COLA increase earlier this year, and ongoing discussions about a possible one-time bonus payment for seniors. If you're on Social Security, SSI, or SSDI, this section is especially important for you. 4. People with disabilities. Several programs are expanding to include new or higher payments for those receiving disability benefits, with state-level supplements already rolling out in California and New York. 5. Unemployed workers. Some states are issuing one-time relief payments for people who've been long-term unemployed or who exhausted their unemployment benefits. 6. Low-income workers. Many states are also offering earned income tax credit supplements, paid out as lump sums. Technically, these are tax credits, but in practice, they work just like stimulus payments. And here's the interesting part. You might qualify for more than one category. For example, a disabled veteran who's also a parent could qualify for 3 or 4 different payments across multiple programs. When are the payments actually coming? This is the question everyone's been asking. So, let's get to it. Federal level. Here's the reality. There's no nationwide fourth stimulus check approved at the federal level. Congress has not passed any legislation for another round of $1,400 checks, like we saw in 2021. I know that's frustrating, but I won't sugarcoat it. However, there are still federal payments happening. If you're a veteran with a pending PACT Act claim, the VA has confirmed they're processing payments throughout 2025, with a major push happening right now in October and November. That means if your claim is approved, you could see money in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. State level now, this is where the situation gets more hopeful. At least 14 states have either approved or are actively considering their own stimulus-style relief programs. Here are a few examples. California. Through the Golden State Grant Program, payments of $600 to $2,200 are being sent to eligible low-income residents. If you qualified based on your 2024 tax return, expect payments to roll out in waves from October through December. You can check your exact date on the Franchise Tax Board website. Colorado. The cashback program has issued payments of up to $1,600 per family. And if you filed your taxes late or recently updated your information, you could still receive a payment through November. New Mexico. The Child Tax Credit Program is sending out $600 per child, with payments hitting accounts monthly through December. Check your account around the third week of each month. Maine. The Winter Energy Relief Program is issuing $450 payments to eligible households in November and December. Tax refund programs. If you qualify for your state's Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, you may also be getting advance or supplemental payments. Programs like California's Cal-IK and New York's Empire State Child Credit are being paid out now through December. What's the goal behind all these payments? It might seem confusing, but each of these programs is targeting a few key goals: inflation relief, reducing child poverty, helping with the cost of living crisis. States may call these payments different things: relief checks, tax rebates, or credits, but the purpose is the same: to get cash into the hands of people who need it most right now. At the federal level, the focus is narrower, primarily helping veterans, seniors, and people with disabilities by reducing backlogs and honoring specific commitments made to those communities. What's different this time around? Unlike the pandemic stimulus checks, these new programs are more restrictive and require action on your part. Income limits are tighter. Most programs cut off around $50,000, $75,000 for individuals, or $100,000, $150,000 for families. Payments are smaller, typically $300 to $1,200, instead of $1,400 per person. You must apply. Many of these aren't automatic. You have to file taxes or submit an application to qualify. For example, in California, even if you don't owe any taxes, you still need to file a state tax return to receive the benefit. Some programs have a separate application process, so it's crucial to double-check. Now, for the good news. There's actually some positive movement happening. You can still claim missed payments. If you missed out earlier because you didn't file taxes or had outdated information, many states are offering a second chance. You can still file your 2024 tax return now and claim those payments retroactively. You can stack multiple benefits. Some people are qualifying for multiple programs: a child tax credit, an EITC payment, and a general relief check, adding up to $20,500 or more in total assistance. More states are joining in. As of right now, at least 6 additional states are debating new stimulus-style programs for 2026. So even if your state isn't offering anything yet, that could change soon. Veterans get an extra advantage. PACT Act payments are not counted as income for other benefit programs, meaning they won't affect your SSI, SNAP, or other assistance. Your action plan. Here's what you should do next. Check your state's tax website. Search for Your State Plus Stimulus Payment 2025. Most sites now have eligibility tools and calculators. File your taxes, even if you don't owe. Many payments require a tax return on file, so this step is critical. Update your direct deposit info. Make sure the IRS or your state has your current banking details to avoid delays or missed payments. Sign up for notifications. Both the IRS and many states allow you to receive text or email alerts when payments are issued. Check every category you qualify for. Don't assume you're only eligible for one program. You might qualify for multiple. Final thoughts. Let's be real. This isn't the simple fourth stimulus check many people were expecting. It's complex, it varies by state, and it takes some effort to navigate. But here's the truth. There is real money available right now. Whether it's $300 or $3,000, that money could make a meaningful difference if you take action and claim what's yours. Most state payments are being issued from October through December this year. Federal veteran payments are rolling out through 2025, and tax credit payments will continue into early 2026 when you file your 2025 return. I know it's frustrating to wait, and it's easy to lose hope when you check your bank account and see nothing. But don't give up. Keep checking, keep applying, and keep advocating for yourself. If this video helped you understand what's really happening with these payments, make sure to subscribe. We post updates every week, breaking down new benefits and programs that matter to you. Check the description for links to all the state programs I mentioned, plus another video covering hidden benefits you might be missing out on. You'll also find a link to our free newsletter, where we send out updates as soon as new payment programs are announced. And before you go, drop a comment below. Did you receive a state stimulus payment this year? What state are you in? Let's help each other out in the comments section. Remember, you're not alone in this. We're all figuring it out together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.